8" in front of the torso. I got the Smith & Wesson 686 357 Magnum. Gonna be shooting the Hornady 180 grain HP-XTP, my deer load, my hand load. Gonna be taking shots at 100 yards because yesterday my 4570, when I was starting to do some practice with it, the scope unzeroed itself and it won't hold zero now. So I fixed my sight, made it relatively dark, and it shouldn't glare as much as it had been. My rear sight still got that glare on it. I just can't seem to get that to stay black. And since I got this a little bit high right there, I've adjusted my sight, and now I'm going to see exactly where I hit at 100. You got a tick on your head or what? Well, that's probably good enough. I'm going to take another Barely got it, but got it. I'll just take one more. Now the right bottom corner. I think I'm going to adjust up one click and left one click. Should have left it the way it was. I'm going to. That might have hit low. Yeah, just hit a little bit low and I called it. So I think I'm good.